Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve reverse French glitter tips using the dip powder system. So stay tuned. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Clear Acrylic Mere Secret Cover Pink, this beautiful glitter from Amazon, and Cherael Symone Seal Protect. Okay, so I start off by applying my bond to dehydrate the nails, and then I applied a thin layer of clear to each of the nails. So I already did the index and middle finger, and I did a rough shaping of the nail bed area. So what I'm doing here is structuring the nail bed area as best as I can. I work with a few small beads, not just one because I'm not a professional. So I just kept building the nail bed until I was pleased with the general shape. So what I use to build the nail, which makes it fall under the quote-unquote dip powder system, is Seal Protect. The Seal Protect acts like monomer. It's more forgiving as compared to monomer since it can get on your skin with no irritation. So I have a glass of Seal Protect and I dip my brush into the Seal Protect and then the Mere Secret Cover Pink to apply it to my nail bed area. So everything I'm doing here, I'm using Seal Protect. So then I went on to the pinky and I did the same thing. So what I could advise, because of my mistake, is seeing that you are using small beads, make sure each bead is blended into each other. Else you will end up with a kind of shadow on the nail bed area. It happened for me on the ring finger. As you can see here, I filed it off a little, but you could still see it. So afterwards, I encapsulate the nail by applying base and clear acrylic because the nail needs to cure in order to file. If I only use the Mere Secret Cover Pink and the Seal Protect, the nail bed wouldn't harden because the base is needed to be there to cure the Seal Protect and solidify the acrylic. So afterwards, I apply activator and wait about 3 minutes and begin filing. So I have a clip of myself filing my thumbs so you can get a general idea of how I do it. I know most of you all know how to do it, but I'm thinking about people who may not know. So now I apply the glitter to my nails. I dip the brush into the Seal Protect, pick up a bead of clear and then pick up some glitter. I have a video with the traditional way of doing the chevron, friends. However, I'm not sure if I will be uploading it yet. It's a good video, but I'm not sure as yet. But if you find this tutorial helpful for you, give me a like and comment and let me know what you think. I don't know about you guys, but watching this glitter application is so satisfying. I almost wanted to put all the nails, but I know better. After I encapsulate the glitter only with some Seal Protect and clear, and then I encapsulate the whole nail with base and I dip my nails into the clear dip powder. Then I applied my activator. I waited 5 minutes and then I filed my nails. So after filing, I applied activator again. And now I top coat the nails. This was a very monotonous nail design because I was doing the same thing over and over, but the end result was beautiful. I loved it. So I hope you all try this soon and let me know how it comes out for you guys. So if you like this video, hit the like button below, share it with your friends and family, and be sure to subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye guys.